I just get money and I don't need nobody telling me what to do. I look at you bummy ass rappers and see that you all uncomfortable. I'm pulling up flexing, wearing all black in an all black Lexus. Do it being like Texas, chest feeling heavy with a Cuban link necklace. Don't ever disrespect this. Cooking up a rapper, then I'm eating him for breakfast. You ain't never been arrested, no. Figure that you tough, but you ain't never gonna do shit. We don't wanna talk to you lame ass fools. Thought that you had my cosign, but you not that dude.
Pull up and go